We have our front door right here, and we have a pretty big walkway to get there. Means we have a bigger room. It does say our maximum room rate is $5,000 per night. Not sure if that's accurate, but maybe they can have a big event to get 5,000. Guess we're in a normal size room, 1106. Closet right here. Is there? Yes, we have the iron and ironing board, safe right there, tall closet. Then we're gonna come over to our left, and then we have our bathroom. We do have a sliding door right here. And we come on in. Good bright bathroom. I like it like that. Our sink's over here to the right. And this is just a night light right here. I thought it was something more interesting, but it's just the light under here for a little night light, if you can tell. It's just right there. Here are our amenities. Got a couple glasses, toilet paper, and the hair dryer down there, as well as the towels. It is a big mirror. We'll come to our right. We do have a partition for the toilet area. We have a shower, nice light overhead. Then we have those amenities for us as well. We're gonna have 2 shower heads, one there, one there. And we're gonna come out and come into the room. We do have a mirror right there. We have a TV and everything as we come in. TV's right here. Then we have our coffee as well as the ice bucket. Let's see if this is a mini fridge. This is a mini fridge. Just one deck right there. Place where you can put your bag and sit, a little bench right there. We do have little designs behind the TV. We'll turn around and we see our bed. Got a little bit of designs back there, a leather or pleather upholstery. Got a night side table with some plugs back there. Got a Book of Mormon and a Bible down there. Marriott's from Salt Lake City. And then we come over here. We have this table that has a bunch of plugs. I'm not sure what up down is. Oh, this table goes up and down. Oh, that's dope. That's really cool. I don't know who's gonna use it all the way up here, like a standing desk, but I'm certain some people will. Let me zoom out some more. But yeah, that's as far as it can go up. As far as it can go up. And I guess that is to my hip, I would say. Now we're gonna go down. Yeah, that's cool. I've never seen that in a hotel before. We have it here in Fort Worth, Texas. Then we have a couch. The magic question is it a sleeper couch? Yes, it is a sleeper couch. Then we come out and see what our view is. We can see the city right there. I mean, we're in the city, but just on the outskirts, kind of the edge. But yeah, there's the rest of the core. And there's more buildings down there. You can see like the highway, and there's supposed to be like a nice waterfall garden down there that you're supposed to be able to view. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it from here. But yeah, this is the room, folks. I keep zooming in and out. Sorry, folks, if that messes you up, but just want to get some more details when I'm zoomed in, but also get all of the aspects of the room. This is the room, folks.